Hello everyone, welcome to lesson number 37, grade 8 mathematics. And in this video, I am going to show you how to simplify ratios. Alright, so let me take you back to fractions. When you're simplifying, let's say you're given 10 out of 15 and you are told to simplify this. So I've advised you to work always with the highest common factor of the two numbers. So the highest common factor of 10 and 15 is 5. So 5 goes into 10 2 times, 5 goes into 15 3 times. So you have written this in simplest form. So there's no other number that can go into 2 and 3 apart from 1. So now when you're simplifying ratios, you do exactly the same way. The only difference here is that ratio is written like this and fraction is written like this, which simply means the same thing. Alright? So it's a ratio between A and B, so it's a ratio between A and B. Okay, so now let's start with the first one. Let's say you are given 12 to 16. Alright, so I'm working on page number 36 in the study guide, the learners of the study guide. I'm working on page 36. Okay, so we want to simplify that, so we need to work out the highest common factor of the two numbers. So if you look at the factors of 12 and 16, we have 1, 2, and 4. That's it. So 6 can go in there, but 6 cannot go there. But remember, we want the highest common factor. So using the highest common factor, so we divide 12 by 4, we get 3. 16 divided by 4, we get 4. So this is the simplest form of that. And just imagine if we had something like this. So let's say the question says simplify 12 over 16. The answer will be 3 over 4. So meaning that if you get this in paper 2, where you are able to use a calculator, you can just punch it like this on your calculator, and then you get this. But when you write down your answer, you say 3 to 2. Okay? Let's go to the second example. We have 0.2 to 0.6. Now, you can do this in many ways. Let's say you can do this in 2 ways. I'm going to show you the 2 ways. So you can either ask yourself, 0.2 can go into 0.6. Alright? Because 2 can go into 6. How many times? 3 times. So you can say, if I divide this by 0.2, 0.2. So here I am not using the concept of the highest common factor. Alright? I don't want to use the concept of highest common factor because I can see that 0.2 can go into 0.6. So here it will go in once, here it will go in 3 times because 2 can go there 3 times. Now if I don't want to do it like that, I can do it like this. Let's put this away. I can do it like this. So 0.2 is 2 over 10 and 0.6 is 6 over 10. Because my denominators are the same, I can just ignore them and write 2 to 6. I can see that the highest common factor here is now 2. 2 goes in itself once, 2 goes into 6 3 times. I'll get the same answer. Okay, so my friends, what I want you to try now, before you try, let me quickly do number 3. So for number 3, I am given 6,000 meters to 1.4 kilometers. Now, for example number 1, example number 2, there were no units attached to the numbers, but now here we are given units. So, if you check on page 26, did I say page 36? Very sorry, it's page 26. So, when you're simplifying a ratio, always leave the ratio in simplest form by using the highest common factor. If the ratio has different units, can you see that? These units are not the same. Although they are all units of the distance, they are not. They are similar units. Okay, so if the units are similar, always convert to the smaller unit. So you must always convert to the smaller unit. If you look at kilometer and meters, this is the smaller one and this is the biggest. So we are going to convert 1.4 to 1.4 kilometers to meters. So what do we know? We know that if I have 1 kilometer, I have 1,000 meters. So meaning that I have 6,000 meters to 1,400. 1,400 meters. So it's like I've multiplied this one with 1,000 meters. Okay, because we know that a kilometer is 1,000. So if I have 1.4, it's 1,600, 1,400 meters. Sorry for that. Okay, so you should always convert this bigger unit to the smaller one. So in this case, this is the smaller one, this is the bigger one. And you know that 1 kilometer is 1,000, so I need to multiply this by 1,000 to get 1,400. Once you have all the units the same, you can now cancel them out, and then you have 6,000. Sorry guys, my handwriting is a bit bad today. To 1,400. Now, let me show you a trick. Big numbers like this, they should not scare you. Look at this. 6,000 divided by 1,400. So you can just start cancelling out, and then you have 60 to 14. Now, the highest common factor of these two numbers is just 2. Alright? Will be 2. So 2 goes into 60 30 times. 2 goes there 7 times. And that's the simplest form. Because there's no other number that can go into 30 and 7 apart from number 1. Alright, so now my friends, I want you to practice the following. So I'm going to give you number 4, 5, and 6. So you practice, take a picture of your work and share with me on WhatsApp. Number 4. Okay? I want you to simplify this. I have 4 over 5, 2, 2 over 3. I know we haven't done an example like this, but please try to crack this on your own. Number 5, I want you to try, this one is very simple really, 12 to 48, and number 6, I want you to try, wow, this is so nice. Let me bring number 6 here. Number 6 is 2 hours to 180 minutes. Nice. Remember, if your numbers have units, you must convert to the smaller unit. You should find out between the hours and the minutes which unit is smaller. Okay, then you convert to the smaller one. Thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to get your answers, and see you in lesson number 38. Bye bye.